Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and until the rants are able to come back in February, I have decided to introduce rambles, which will be me simply looking at stories in the media that interest me and just giving my general opinions about it, rather than an in-depth rant video on a specific person or issue. Please let me know what you think of this type of video in the comments. I want to know if people like it, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes for the time being. Today's ramble is about the South Korean President Yoon Suk Yeol meeting with King Charles III to celebrate 140 years of diplomatic relations between the two countries. And another interesting guest that appeared at this celebration was BLACKPINK, which is a K-pop girl group with millions of fans all over the world. They are huge, and that's an understatement. Some of their music videos have view counts in the billions on YouTube, and on Spotify they also have view counts in the hundreds of millions. The group is made up of 4 young women named Lisa, Rose, Jaesoo, and Jenny. And what's interesting is Rose is actually from Australia, another Commonwealth country, and Lisa is Thai. Even though the K in K-pop does mean Korean, it usually means the language that is used in the song or where the group is based. And even in other K-pop girl groups such as G-Idol, you have Minnie, who is a very beautiful and talented young woman, and she is also from Thailand, like Lisa is. Back to BLACKPINK. During the banquet, I believe it was, the 4 singers came wearing some very beautiful gowns. My favorite, though, of the 4 is Lisa's blue dress. It just looks fabulous on her. I think the color, Tiffany blue I believe it is, complements her very well. The dress is very form-fitting. She just looks like a princess, really, is the best way to describe it. Fitting given she met the king. My second favorite dress was actually Jaesoo's with the big puffy sleeves. I have a dress in pink that looks very similar to that one. It's just shorter and goes up to the knee, and it's one of my all-time favorite dresses, and I wear it whenever it's warm out, but in Canada that's like 1 week of the year. But it's a really cute looking style to go with. It also reminds me of the Regency tops that you'd see in old portraits. Next up is the Princess of Wales, the beautiful Catherine. She was wearing this beautiful red dress with a matching hat when the South Korean president was being welcomed into the UK. And you know me, when I see a red dress, I'm like a 3-year-old looking at a marker and a wall. I just go crazy. It's beautiful. I love the red. I think it looks fabulous on her. The Princess of Wales was wearing this beautiful white gown and a spectacular floral tiara. What I would give to have jewels like that, I tell ya. She could look good in a potato sack, and her amazing long legs would be able to pull it off. I wish that I was able to pull off outfits as well as Catherine can. I think that red complements Camilla very well, and I think that she looks really nice in this dress. She's actually wearing the Queen's Burmese ruby tiara and matching necklace, and I thought that this was a very sweet way of paying tribute to the late Queen Elizabeth II. So overall, Camilla looked nice. While I was browsing Instagram in between editing this video, I saw an advert for the Pokemon and Tiffany & Co. collaboration. I did not expect this at all. I like Pokemon and I like pretty jewelry, so I guess I hit the target demographic for this product? I don't know. I think that the Pikachu necklaces are cute. Probably going to be crazy expensive because it's Tiffany & Co. But nonetheless, they did a great job at making a charming little necklace for this collaboration. Pokemon also collaborated earlier this year with the Vincent van Gogh Museum, and they gave Pikachu a Van Gogh styled Pokemon card for the event. Thank you so much again for joining me on the first episode of my Ramble mini podcast series, what have you want to call it. If there are any stories that you are interested in seeing me cover, please leave it down in the comments below, and please let me know what you think about this series as a whole. I want to improve it and hear what the community has to say about it, and I'm also hoping to reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm only about 60 away, so please, if you enjoy the video and you would like to see more of my content, please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts and lots of sparkles and hope for a better new year. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye!
There's a part of myself I'm missing.